Manganese is a vital trace mineral, essential for various physiological functions, despite being needed in small amounts. It supports bone health, acts as a cofactor for numerous enzymes in metabolism, and enhances antioxidant activity, protecting cells from damage. Dietary sources include whole grains, nuts, legumes, and leafy greens. Always ensure balanced intake and consult a healthcare provider if you suspect any deficiencies or excess. It seems you're interested in manganese. It's important to differentiate between magnesium and manganese, as they are distinct minerals with different roles in the body. Here's information focusing on manganese. Manganese, essential trace. Mineral manganese is a trace mineral, meaning your body only needs small amounts. However, it's crucial for various physiological functions. Key functions: bone health. Manganese contributes to bone formation and maintenance. Enzyme function. It's a cofactor for many enzymes involved in metabolism, including those involved in amino acid, cholesterol, and carbohydrate metabolism, formation of bone and cartilage, antioxidant activity. Manganese is part of an antioxidant enzyme called superoxide dismutase, SOD, which helps protect cells from free radical damage. Wound healing. It plays a role in collagen production, which is essential for wound healing. Brain function. Manganese also plays a role in brain health and nerve function. Sources of manganese: whole grains, brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread, nuts and seeds, pecans, almonds, pumpkin seeds, legumes, beans, lentils, leafy green vegetables, spinach. Tea. Important considerations: manganese toxicity. Excessive manganese intake can be toxic, particularly affecting the nervous system. This is more often a concern with industrial exposure than dietary intake. Dietary balance. It is always best to obtain minerals from a healthy, balanced diet. Consulting a doctor. If you have concerns about your manganese levels, it is always best to speak to a medical professional. I hope this helps clarify the role of manganese.